Experience modern luxury in this newly built comfortable single-story, barrier-free home. The home is designed with full-size doorways and no trip hazards for easy living or anyone concerned with mobility issues. Entering through a large foyer, enjoy the open floor plan concept in a spacious vaulted room with contemporary wood beams overhead and plenty of natural light. A hookup for a freestanding gas fireplace is provided. The kitchen is a chef's dream with a generous island, all new appliances plus a full-size pantry with abundant shelving. The spacious primary suite boasts a walk-in closet and a large bathroom with a luxurious walk-in shower with bench, while the other two additional bedrooms on the other side of the house share their own well-appointed bath. The home includes a convenient laundry room with ample storage. The attached fully heated, insulated and finished 584 square feet two-car garage and an adjacent storage room offer modern practicality with hookups for EV cars, hot and cold water, a floor drain and hookups for a full house generator are already in place. To maximize comfort, this home is equipped with state-of-the-art hydronic floor heat in all rooms including the garage, coupled with high-velocity air conditioning, 30% more efficient than traditional air conditioner, on-demand hot water system, and a state-of-the-art Ubiquiti managed Wi-Fi system including a Ring doorbell system. Step outside onto the backyard patio for your outdoor enjoyment. Take advantage of lower electric costs within the renowned Southwestern School District. This prime location offers convenience with nearby shops and schools, ensuring a well-connected and vibrant lifestyle. Seize the opportunity to create your own heaven in this coveted neighborhood. An identically sized neighboring lot is also available for purchase to enhance your privacy if desired. See attachment for additional amenities and options.